Hello, my name is Steve Lombardo. I'm Group Vice President of Sales for Star, APW, and Baker's Pride Group. Today we're going to show you how to service and troubleshoot our hot dog roller grills. How to replace the motor. Disconnect the unit from its power source. Remove the bung drawer and the control cover. Remove the control cover by squeezing the retainer clip. While facing the front of the roller grill, you will need to gain access to the right side panel. Remove the panel, then turn the unit over to gain access to the bottom cover panel. Using a 1/8 inch drill bit, drill out 10 pop rivets holding the bottom panel to the roller grill, then remove the Phillips head screws. Using a 3/32 Allen wrench, remove the 2 Allen screws holding the motor sprocket. Remove the sprocket and remove the 4 Phillips screws holding the motor to the side panel. Flip the bottom panel to gain access to the interior of the roller grill. Disconnect the motor wires, remove the faulty motor, and replace with the new motor. Attach the motor wires to the new motor and place into position. Attach motor to the side panel with the 4 Phillips screws. Attach the motor sprocket using the Allen screws. Ensure one of the Allen screws is on the flat side of the motor shaft. Lift the idler gear to allow the chain onto the motor sprocket, then reattach the drivetrain to that sprocket. Reattach the bottom panel using 1/8 inch pop rivets and Phillips head screws. Turn the unit over, reattach the side panels, plug the roller grill into the power supply, and then run the probe diagnostics test. Roller grills and controls produced since 2018 feature a probe diagnostics tool to ensure the probes were inserted into the correct locations. To run the diagnostics, with the power off, press the hold button on the front control and turn the power on. The diagnostics feature will test temperatures in both the front and rear sections of the grill. If everything is working properly, the display will show PAS.